Okay, once again, grade 9. We have a lesson for today about quadratic inequalities. So we are going to learn about this. But before that, I would like to read a reference in Proverbs 22 verse 6. It says, "Train up a child in the way he should go, and even when he is old, he will not depart from it." So quadratic inequalities. So we can see the symbol less than. So when you have a symbol like that, the solutions will go toward each other on the number line. And there is an open circle, meaning to say that that point is not included as solutions. Also, the less than or equal to. The same, the solutions will go toward each other on the number line. And this time, the circle is shaded or solid, meaning to say that that part or point is included as solutions. So the other symbol is greater than. The solutions will go in opposite directions on the number line. So the circle or unshaded part is not a part of the solution. The greater than or equal to, the solutions will go also in opposite directions on the number line. So the shaded circle is part of the solution. So we are going to take x squared plus 2x minus 15 is greater than 0. So first thing first, we are going to factor this, and for the meantime, we equate to 0. So x here, x here. So minus here will be plus minus. So think of a factor of 15, and it must be positive 2, so it will be 5 here and 3 here. Okay, now we are going to solve for x plus 5 equal to 0, and x minus 3 equal to 0. So solving for x will be equals to negative 5. Here, x will be equals to 3. So from the number line, this is greater than, we can put negative 5 here and positive 3 here. So meaning to say that the solutions will be greater than 3, and also from less than negative 5, negative 6, etc. So shall we have a test point? Supposing x will be equal to 4. So from there, so that it will be 4 squared plus 2 times 4 minus 15 must be greater than 0. So this will be 16 plus 8 minus 15 must be greater than 0. So that will be 24 minus 15 must be greater than 0. So this will be 9 will be greater than 0. So we need to say this is true. So when it is true, we need to say that is a solution. So 4 will be a solution. So let's take another sample, another test point. For example, shall we try x is negative 6. So it will be negative 6 squared plus 2 times negative 6 minus 15 must be greater than 0. So that will be 36 minus 12 minus 15 will be greater than 0. So 36, combine the negative, will be negative 27 greater than 0. So that will be 9 is greater than 0, and that is true. So meaning to say that negative 6 is a solution to the inequality. So shall we try 2? So x is 2. Oops, x is 2, I mean. So that will be 2 squared plus 2 times 2 minus 15 will be greater than 0. So 4 plus 4 minus 15 is greater than 0. So 8 minus 15 is greater than 0. So that will be negative 7. Negative 7 is greater than 0. So we need to say this is false. So if it is false, we need to say that that's not the solution to the inequality. So the solution is going away, okay, in opposite direction. Okay, so let's see another example. Here, x squared plus 9x plus 14 is less than 0. So we can use factoring also here. Shall we equate to 0 for the meantime? So it will be x plus 7 and 2. So equate x plus 7 equate to 0, and then x plus 2 equate to 0. So one value x is negative 7 and x will be equals to negative 2. So less than, shall we use this? So we need to say you put negative 7 here and negative 2 here. So let's see a test point. Shall we just use negative 3 when x is negative 3? So that it will be negative 3 squared plus 9 times negative 3 plus 14 must be less than 0. So this will be 9 minus 27 plus 14. So if you combine the positive together is 23. So it will be negative 27 plus 23. So less than 0. So it will be negative 4 less than 0. So this is also true. So meaning to say that is a part of the solution. So negative 3 is somewhere here. So it is a solution. When, shall we try, when x equals 0? X equals 0. So if that is 0 and that is 0, 14 less than 0, this is false. So we need to say 0 is here. So we need to say that is not a part of the solution. So that is about quadratic inequalities in linear